Hi children, welcome back to our JDVS online class. Children, in the previous class what we are discussing? We are discussing expanded form and standard form. Am I right children? Expanded form and standard form ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So today we learn comparing numbers. What we are learn today? Today we learn comparing numbers. This is very important lesson children. So some steps are there. Some common steps are there to compare two or more 4-digit numbers. Okay, I will explain step by step. First children, I take one simple example, that is 4234 year 2989. Children, see, this is our first problem. So how to compare these two numbers? Children, first compare the digits in the thousand place. First ನಾವು here, this is thousand place, 100 place, tens place, unit place. It is also unit, tens, 100, then thousand place. Children, first we compare the thousand place. Compare the digits in the thousand place. Here 4000, here 2000. Compare these two. Which one is the smallest? Yes, 2000 is smaller. Then 4000 is greater number. Then 4234 is greater than 2989. Children, open side of the sign is always towards the greater number. ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಓಪನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ ಇದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಅಂತ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ thousand place. So next I take one more example children, that is 3672, 3843. Children, look at this. It is our second problem. If the digits in the thousand place are same, this is thousand place, 100 place, tens place, unit place. Unit, tens, 100, then 1000. So here also 3000, here also 3000. What can we do next? If the digits in the thousand place are the same, then compare the digits in the 100 place. 1000 place both are same, ಎರಡೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಇಯರ್ 600, ಇಯರ್ 800. ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು. ಇಯರ್ 600, 800. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್? ಎಸ್, 800 ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್. Then 3672 is less than 3843. Are you understand children? This is step 1. Step 2. Next children, I take one more example, that is third example, 4693. Here also 4674. This is our problem. 1000 place, 100 place, tens place, ones place. 1000 place, 100 place, tens and ones place. Children, look at the first. If the digits in the first, what can we do? If the digits in the 1000 place are the same, then compare the digits in the 100 place alva. So here also 4000, here also 4000. Both 1000 places are same. So ಎರಡೂ places same ಇದೆ. So next compare the 100 place. Here also 600, here also 600. What can I do next? ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅವಾಗ? If the digits in the 100 place are also the same, then compare the digits in the tens place. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು tens ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Here 9 tens means 90, here 4 tens means 70. Okay, 90, here 70. So which one is smallest? 70 is the smallest, then 90 is the greatest. Then put greater than sign. 4693 is greater than 4674. Are you understand children? First 1000 place compare ಮಾಡಿ, ಎರಡೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ 100 place compare ಮಾಡಿ, ಎರಡೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ then automatically you compare the tens places. Better I take one more example, that is fourth example, 2314, 2318. Children, look at here. This is 1000 place, 100 place, tens place, ones place. 1000 place, 100 place, tens place, then ones place. If the digits in the thousand place are the same, then compare the digits in the hundred place. Here also 2000, here also 2000. Next, if the digits in the hundred place are also the same, then compare the digits in the tens place. Here also 300s, here also 300s. Here also 110, here also 110. Then what can I do? If the digits in tens place are also the same, then compare the digits in the ones place. Here 4 ones means 4, here 8 ones means 8. So 4 is less than 8. Understand, children? So 2314 is less than 2318. Open side of the sign is always towards the greater number. Are you understand? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ I take one example. 2319, 2317. Okay na? First, compare the digits in the thousand place. Here also 2000, here also 2000. Both are same. If the digits in the thousand place are same, then compare the digits in the hundred place. Here also 300s, here also 300s. Then both are same. If the digits in hundred place are also the same, then compare the digits in the tens place. Here also 110, here also 110. Both are same. Next, if the digits in the tens place are also the same, then compare the digits in the ones place. Here 19, here 17. So next ಏನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅವಾಗ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 2319 is greater than 2317. Children, open side of the sign is always towards the greater number. This is greater than, it is less than. This is equal sign. Are you understand, children? Okay, shall we do some exercise now? Look at here. In your textbook, have some problems. Insert greater than or less than sign. Write the place and the digits have you comparing. So, look at here, children. First one problem is they are already done. Shall we do the second problem? Here 9601, here 9261. Just first ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಥೌಸಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. 9000 ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಇಫ್ ದ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ 1000 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್, ದೆನ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ 600s, ಇಯರ್ 200s, ದೆನ್ 600 ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್, ದೆನ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ದ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್. ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಪ್ಪ? 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ HUNDRED 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ? ಇಯರ್ 600 ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 200. Are you understand, children? Next, year 4000, year 9000. Compare the digit in 1000 place. Year 4000, year 9000. Okay, if the digits ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1000, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4000 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9000 ಇದೆ, ದೆನ್ 4000 ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 9000 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? 1000 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. THOUSAND. ಇಯರ್ 4000 is less than 9000. Okay, here children 7000. If the digits in the 1000 place are the same, then compare the digits in the 100 place. Here 400, here 300. Then 7451 is greater than 7378. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ? 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. HUNDRED 100 place. Here 400 is greater than 300. Okay. Here 2513, 2522. Then compare the digits in the 1000 place. Here also 2000, here also 2000. Okay. If the digits in the 1000 place are same, then compare the digits in the 100 place. Here 500s. Oh my god, both are same. If the digits in the 100 place are also the same, then compare the digits in the tens place. Here 110, here 210. Then this one is greater. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ here 110 is less than 2 tens. Are you understand, children? Then 6184, 6186. Okay. Compare the digits in the 1000 place. Here also 6000. Both are same. Next, if the digits in the 1000 place are the same, then compare the digits in the 100 place. Here also 100, 100, both are same. Okay. If the digits in the 100 place are also the same, then compare the digits in the tens place. Here 8 tens, here 8 tens. Oh my god, both are same. Next, if the digits in the tens place are also the same, then compare the digits in the ones place. Here 4 ones, here 6 ones. Then 4 ones is less than 6 ones. Then ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ here 4 is less than 6. Are you understand children how to compare the numbers? For example, 6184 is less than 6186. Okay. Next children, insert less than or greater than sign, circle the digits are you comparing. Okay na, ಯಾವ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Children, 3893, here 3891. 1000 place are same, 100 place are same, tens place are same. Okay, shall we compare ones place? Here 3 ones, here 1 1. So 3893 is greater than 3891. Are you understand children? Next, here 5000, here 8000. Yes, how easy it is. So ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, 1000 ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. 5000 is less than 8000. Understand? Look at here children, 4000, 4000, both are same. 500, 500, both are same. Then 6 tens, then 6 tens, both are same. Then compare the ones. Here 9 ones, here 7 ones. 4569 is greater than 4567. Okay children, look at here, 6532, 6530. First compare the 1000 place. 6000, 6000. Oh my god, both are same. 500, 500, both are same. 3 tens, 3 tens, both are same. Then compare the 2 ones, 0 ones. 2 ones is greater. Then 6532 is greater than 6530. Are you understand children? Next, 5489, 5492. First compare 1000 places, both are same. Next compare 100 places, both are same. Next compare tens places. Here 8 tens, here 9 tens. 8 tens, 9 tens, 8 tens is less than 9 tens. Then 5489 is less than 5492. Understand children? The next problem, 9133, 9500. 1000, both are same. Then 100, here 100, here 500. Which one is greater? 500 is greater. Then 9133 is less than 9500. Okay children, look at this. 1674, 1673. First compare 1000 places. 1000, 1000, both are same. Next compare 100 places. 600, 600, both are same. Then compare tens places. 7 tens, 7 tens. Oh, both are same. Then here 4 hundreds, here 3 hundreds. Then sorry, hundreds not ones children. Here 4 ones, here 3 ones. Then 4 ones is greater than 3 ones. Then 1674 is greater than 1673. Okay, look at here. 4915, 4328. Compare first 1000 places. 4000, 4000, both are same. Then compare 100 place. Here 900s, here 300s. 900 is greater, no? Then you put 4915 is greater than 4328. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ವಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2761, 2749. Children, first compare 1000 places. 2000, 2000, both are same. Next compare 100 places. 700, 700, both are same. Next compare tens places. Here 6 tens, here 4 tens. Then 2000, then circle these digits. Okay. 2761 is greater than 2749. Are you understand, children? Children, this is greater than, this is less than symbol. Open side of the sign is always towards the greater number. Closed sign of the sign is always toward the smaller number. Are you understand these two differentiation, children? Greater than, ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಫಸ್ಟು ಯಾವುದೇ ಡಿಜಿಟನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೊಡಲಿ, 2496 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2498 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟು 1000 ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನೇ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎರಡೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇತ್ತಾ? ದೆನ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಅವೆರಡೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇತ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ 10th ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಅವೆರಡೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇತ್ತಾ? ದೆನ್ 1st ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್, ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸೈನನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮೀ. ದೆನ್ ಇವೆರಡು ಮೇನ್ಸನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ CWದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಫೋಟೋ ಕಾಪಿನ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್.